Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're joining me because I've brought you a truly amazing recipe that is literally going to revolutionize your dessert game. I mean it. We're talking about a chocolate mousse that's unbelievably easy, super quick to make, and has this ridiculously creamy texture the whole family will just fall in love with. It's basically the ultimate effortless treat. But before we get completely lost in all that chocolatey goodness, I've got a quick question for you. Just imagine we're hanging out right here in my kitchen. Do you like mousse? And more importantly, what is your absolute favorite mousse flavor? Just think about it for a sec. We've all got our go-to favorites, right? Well, whatever yours is, I promise you, this one is going to give it a serious run for its money. You know, usually to get that traditional, luxurious mousse texture, you have to whip heavy cream for ages or fold in egg whites or just use a ton of dairy. Well, not today. We're talking zero milk, zero cream, but 100% creamy. It sounds almost impossible, doesn't it? But we're completely bypassing all that heavy stuff to create something truly magical and incredibly rich. Okay, so the absolutely crucial point here is the number 2. Yes, just 2. I really need to emphasize this heavy-hitting fact. This incredible recipe requires just 2 simple ingredients. That is literally it. No complicated shopping list, no running around looking for strange thickeners or specialty baking items. If you have these 2 things, you are minutes away from dessert heaven. And the magic isn't just in the number of ingredients either. Check out these impressive dietary benefits. This mousse is completely vegan, it's gluten-free, lactose-free, it's incredibly low carb, there's absolutely no added sugar, and no flour used to thicken it up. That means this is a virtually guilt-free dessert that's accessible to almost everyone at your dinner table, no matter what their dietary restrictions might be.
Just 2 simple ingredients. All right, our first secret ingredient is right here, 70% chocolate. Now, what does that actually mean for us? It means it's a chocolate with a beautifully high proportion of real cocoa. And as a food, high percentage cocoa is profoundly healthy. It's rich in antioxidants, packed with fiber, and naturally sweet, meaning we don't have to dump refined sugars into our bowl to make it taste good. Plus, it's legitimately great for our mood and overall well-being. I mean, who doesn't want a dessert that actively makes you feel happier while you're eating it?
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is our second ingredient and where things get really fun. If you compare coconut milk to cow's milk, you'll immediately see why we chose it. Coconut milk has fewer carbs than cow's milk, which makes it perfect for a low-carb treat. But even more importantly, it has a naturally creamier consistency. And that's exactly what helps give us that delicious, velvety texture we want in a mousse. And let's be honest, the flavor pairing of coconut and chocolate is simply one of the most amazing combos on earth. But hey, actually, if you don't have coconut milk on hand, you can absolutely swap it out and use almond milk or peanut milk instead. Section 2, step-by-step preparation. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's your entire method laid out in real-time order. Step 1, you're gonna melt your 70% chocolate. Step 2, you pour in that rich coconut milk. Step 3, grab a whisk and just whisk them together until it's nice and smooth. And finally, step 4, transfer that wonderful mixture into a little serving dish and pop it in the fridge to chill. It is incredibly quick, and honestly, you literally cannot mess it up. Real quick, I do want to pause right here for just a second on this melting tip, because this is absolutely crucial to make sure you don't accidentally burn your beautiful chocolate. You basically have 2 options. You can use a traditional double boiler on the stove if you prefer that classic method, or if you're like me and you want speed, which is kind of what makes this recipe so wonderfully easy, you can pop it right into the microwave. Just make sure you're doing it in 30-second intervals, giving it a good stir in between until it's nicely and smoothly melted. So, as you add that creamy coconut milk into the melted chocolate and switch to a whisk to make things easier, you're going to see this velvety consistency even before chilling. Seriously, the smell of coconut and chocolate rising up from the bowl as you mix them is just amazing. Even while it's warm, sitting right there on the counter, it looks so deeply rich and perfectly smooth, you already know it's going to turn out great.
Section 3, chilling and final presentation.
Okay, so you've grabbed your little dish and transferred your mousse mixture over. All that's left is to literally let the cold do all the heavy lifting. Just chill it in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight until it becomes perfectly solid and creamy. It's truly amazing how the fridge transforms that warm liquid mixture into a solid, authentically mousse-like texture without any hard work, folding, or baking on your part at all. Now, when you pull it out of the fridge, you've got a couple of presentation options. You can serve it exactly as is, beautifully sleek and simple. Or if you want to elevate it just a little bit, you can top it with 70% chocolate shavings. You can just use the same chocolate you use for the recipe itself. It's totally optional, obviously, but as they say, we eat with our eyes first. Those delicate little shavings make the dish look absolutely beautiful, like it was professionally crafted.
And finally, here is your reward. A generous, solid, and incredibly creamy scoop of absolute goodness. When you dip your spoon into this dish, you are going to feel that incredible velvety resistance. It's dense, it's rich, and it is packed with dark chocolate flavor and that subtle, beautiful hint of coconut. When you make this delicious 2-ingredient miracle at home, you will absolutely love it, for sure. It's the perfect treat for your weekend, or honestly, whenever you just need a little effortless indulgence. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one last question to think about. When would you eat this delicious treat? Let's spread this chain of goodness. Think about the friends or family members who would love a quick, healthy, dairy-free dessert and share the joy with them. Thank you so much for joining me and breaking down this amazing recipe today. Go grab some chocolate and coconut milk, whip this up at home, and I will see you on the next explainer.